All right, guys. I hope your Monday is going well. It's been pretty chaotic over here. Teams is not working correctly. Um, we're all a little bit frustrated, but we're keeping on keeping. So I wanted to make this announcement real quick because I want to go over 3 things that I've been noticing consistently that are not okay. So first thing first. When you go into my class, this page right here is what you're going to see. I need you guys to scroll up to the first post that I made that day, okay? So this was posted last night for this morning. This is the agenda for this week. This is something that you can go in every single day and hit this agenda, and it's going to tell you what to do that day and when it's due. I mean as in when you need to turn it in by. So you have to do it today, but you do not have to turn it in until tomorrow. And that's just for those people who might be logging in late. If you're here today and you saw this today, I highly suggest that you just complete the assignment when you are actually doing it and do not wait for this date to turn it in. Number 2, second thing, I went ahead and decided that every single day I'm going to post links to the assignments for that day. So the next thing that I posted was today's assignment. If you notice that, I posted it last night, but it seems like some people are not looking at it. So welcome to the digital learning recorded PowerPoint and then the submission quiz. This is the PowerPoint. It'll take you straight to that YouTube page. This is the PowerPoint quiz that was mentioned up here that you need to do today, and the bell work. So tomorrow you're going to see Tuesday's assignment. I'm going to put everything that you need to do in Tuesday's assignment, and below it I'm going to post the links for every single thing listed in that agenda. Make sure you're checking that. It's more important than ever that you read everything. Third thing, when you go to assignments, you will no longer see the assignments for the next upcoming days. The reason for that is that even though I said you can work ahead, I had a lot of people ignoring today's work and going on to do tomorrow's work, or doing Thursday or Friday's work, which we don't even have the instructions to do those yet, or doing the giver questions when the book hadn't even been posted. So just to avoid that confusion, the assignments are only going to be, the only assignments that will be posted are the ones that are going to be due that day. Now this is my screen. I don't know if you guys see all of these scheduled posts. You probably don't. You probably only see the ones that are active, okay? If you happen to see anything like this, just make sure if it says scheduled, you're not clicking on it because that would be for tomorrow. Anyways, I don't think you guys can see all that, just the ones that have been posted. So for the few people who did turn in the giver questions, I took them, I took a picture of them. You don't have to redo it when they're posted tomorrow. For those of you who already did the job assignment that was not until Friday, I'm sorry, can't take that. The instructions are going to go out on Thursday, so you're going to have to redo it on Friday when that assignment posts. For my reading students, same thing with iReady. I had someone turn in the notes. I can't take those because that is not due, and you don't have to do iReady until tomorrow, and tomorrow I'll post the assignment with the note-taking guide that you're going to be using now. That's the format that I need you to turn your notes in. So if you want to do iReady, have a blast. Go ahead and do iReady as much as you want, but when you go to turn in those notes, they will only be posted on the day that those notes are due. And you're going to go in and you're going to upload that note-taking guide. That is pretty much it, guys. Keep an eye out for the next recording that I'm going to put out. That is for my language arts people. It's going to be, we're going to go over the giver, and then for my reading people, I'm going to give you a little bit of more detail on the assignments coming up later this week. Stay tuned, guys.